Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10 English Medium subject Maths, chapter number 8. In chapter number 8, we have to learn exercise 8.4. In previous lecture, we have to solve question number 1 and question number 2. Now start with question number 3. First question of question number 3, sin square 68 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus sin square 73 degree. So here we have to see that addition of two angles is 90 degree and sin square plus sin square. So when addition of two angle is 90 degree, so we have to take using equation of 90 minus angle. So sin square plus sin square 27 converted into cos square 90 minus 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 90 minus angle, it means 90 minus 73 using 90 minus theta. So sin converted into cos, sin converted into cos plus cos square, so therefore cos square 90 minus 73 63 divided by cos square 17 plus sin square 90 minus angle, so the cos square here value is given cos square, so cos square 73 means sin square 90 minus 3, so the answer is sin square 17. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1, therefore 1. In similar way, sin square theta plus cos square theta, both angle will be same here, so answer is 1, final answer is 1. Question number 2 of question number 3, sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. So here sin and cos both angle addition is 90 degree, so sin one angle is 90 minus theta, so here sin 90 minus 65, it means cos 90 minus converted into sin 25, sin 25, sin 25, sin square 25, and similar way cos 25, so sin converted into cos 90 minus angle, therefore cos 25 multiplied by x into x, therefore x square. So here cos square 25 in sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So solve by itself, and answer of this question is 1. Answer is 1. Now question number 5. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Choose correct answer of given below. First, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to blank. So we know that equation between equation between sec and tan. So first step we have to common 9 of both steps. So 9 sec square a minus tan square a 9. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. In here sec square minus tan square, in sec square minus tan square, so 1 is equal to sec square a minus tan square a. So in place of sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So 9 into 1, 9. So correct answer is option B. 9. Second question, 1 plus 10 theta plus sec theta multiply by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. 1 plus cos theta minus cosec theta. 4 option given and find the value of this question. So first we have to convert all terms into sine and cos. So 1 plus 10 means sine theta divided by cos theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta multiply by cos theta. Cot theta means cos theta divided by sine theta minus sec means 1 upon cos theta. Now LCM of this term, cos theta is LCM. Cos theta. So all term in plus term. So answer is 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. In place of 1, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Multiplication relation here. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This down part cot mean and sorry here given term is cosec. So cosec means 1 upon sin theta. LCM is sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta. LCM is sin theta. Multiplication relation. So here using a minus b, a plus b. So answer is a square minus b square. Use this equation here. Here this term is known as a and 1 is known as b. We can take in similar way all term. We know that we take value of a and this one is take value of b. So a plus b, a minus b, answer is a square minus b square. So first a square, it means cos theta plus sin theta, a square minus b square divided by LCM is cos theta into sin theta. So multiplication relation, so we can write cos theta into sin theta. Now a plus b whole square, it means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, therefore cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta b square minus b square. So minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 cos theta into sin theta plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remains part is sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This term is cancelled. So the answer is 2. 2 is option C. In similar, you can solve question number 3 homework. Now question number 4. 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to blank. So the given equation 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So in given term we can take sec square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta. So answer is cosec square theta. Option in a form of sec A, option B minus 1, option C cot square A, and option D tan square A. So we can convert this term into sin divided by cos. So in place of sec, we can take 1 upon cos square A. Cosec means 1 upon sin square A. 1 divided by it means 1 divided by cos square. So down part cos square A, division main division, answer is sin square A. So the sin square A divided by cos square A is equal to tan square A. So the answer is tan square A. Option D. So we have completed question number 3 and question number 4. Now next question in next video lecture. So prepare this equation, remember that, and solve using two equation in exercise, square equation and 90 minus theta equation. Thank you.